Oh, didn't see you there. I was actually just hanging out with my common culture trellis. Yeah, we were hanging out because we become best buds. You wanna know why? Let me show you why. So this is the 4 foot tall by 4,920 foot long trellis roll. So this is big. This is a big guy. We actually have it in a 5 foot and a 6.5 foot, much taller than I. And remember the 4,920 feet because most other trellis manufacturers make these in 3,280 feet. Now ours are about 30% longer, which make them much better for larger commercial operations. And that makes us be able to sell them less expensively per square foot. Not only that, this is a thicker trellis netting. So we went all out. Thicker trellis netting by about 20% versus the average trellis netting in the market. And this is UVA sterilized treated and chemical resistant, which is really good because a lot of times you could be out there and let's say you have to spray a nutrient on your plants. Maybe it's a little bit more on the acidic side. Maybe there's pesticides you have to spray on your plants, cleaning agents. This can stand up to all of that. So this trellis netting is like, think of it as the gorilla of trellis netting. Not only that, it comes with scissors. So we have the Trojan Scissors that it comes with, which are pretty awesome. They're stainless steel, so they do not rust even in those humid environments. And they're really good because when you get this trellis netting, what you're gonna need to do is probably cut it open and then cut it to size. So let's go ahead and do that, huh? Ooh, baby. Look at that beauty. I feel like I shouldn't be showing you this, but we're gonna do it. Let's take it off. Okay, now as you come around, you're also gonna notice that we do put a thick cardboard in here, and that's because we know that some people might wanna put this on a rod and then wheel it out. And you can actually do that basically vertically and wheel it out, or on a horizontal rod and wheel it out. And this 4,920 foot roll, remember, it's like it's a very bulk size so that you can get the most for your money. Now, this trellis netting is very strong too. One of the complaints we got from a lot of growers on other trellis netting that we sold from other manufacturers was it wasn't strong enough. So we ended up increasing the thickness of the plastic with this so that this stuff will hold up to really strong trellis mounts, and you can pull it really tight over your plants, and you're not gonna have issues of it snapping, breaking when you come into your growing operation the next day. So this is the 6-inch squares they all come with, and you'll see along the perimeter, it's actually double enforced, okay? And if you pull on this, I don't even think I can break it. That's some good trellis.